Hey guys! Today we're gonna find some ghosts. But we have the help of my friend here, Symbiote. Okay, we need to do some research and see where this next ghost that we're gonna hunt is. We already hunted some past ghosts, but today...
Oh, my balls!
Seems like he's awake. We're gonna do some research. We gotta see where this next ghost is gonna be.
Yeah.
Okay, this next ghost says that it's supposed to be somewhere near the lake.
Yeah.
We'll be in and out. Easy job. Come on, let's get ready. I already have all my gear. I have my weapon, my light, aka my ghost extractor.
I haven't visited the lake. I used to come here when I was a kid.
Yeah, I remember hunting a couple ghosts here, but after that it was just kind of...
No. This does not look the same as when I was a kid.
How cold is this water? Pretty cold.
Well, oh shoot, we forgot our rockets.
Oh, let's go grab those. Put my gear inside my bag. Come on, let's go. Alright.
Let's go.
Let's head out. Be careful not to touch this purple goo.
Press 3, 2, 1, now! Oh! We're on a ship! Bro!
Help, I'm falling into the cave!
Bro!
I made it. Oh no, he fell! I gotta go get him. Hello? He's falling! I gotta go get him! Ooh! Ah! Whoa! 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 What do? Oh, guys. Oh! Man, I guess with all our gear, we're pretty heavy. It's hard to swim. So, according to my research that I did, this should be... That can't be normal.
Yeah.
Should we just extract the green ghost gem and get out?
You carry that, but we should also look around here. Plus, we need to execute the ghost.
You go first. To your right, I think. There's 2 sets.
Ooh, a big chocolate bar. You get the chocolate bar, I'll get the emerald. Put it right here.
Right where?
Put it somewhere safe. Put it somewhere safe.
Let's just hold it in our bags, okay? Here, take the chocolate.
What? Why is that so big?
I don't know, man.
Okay.
Is it even chocolate? Maybe it's a board game.
I don't know.
Where'd my pickaxe go?
Wow, you're strapped. You could the enhanced one.
Where'd my pickaxe go? There it is! There's a ghost! There it is! Kill it! Ah! Ouch! Good thing we put our stuff in our bags, otherwise we would have lost it, man.
That's not like any.
So what are we thinking here? Werewolf?
That looks like a regular human.
I've never seen a ghost like that before. They're always just clear.
Wait, let me check out my ghost book. It says here that that's a skinwalker.
Skinwalkers. Always hated those things. According to the lore,
They killed my
skinwalkers
father.
are damaged by bullets severely, so I guess our only shot is our bullets. Only problem.
Yeah. You did not bring ammo.
I did not. So it's either I find my pickaxe or I'm weaponless.
But here's the thing. Looks like when it's red when it's engaged. When it fights.
I want that tech deck right there. See that? Okay, I think let's go. I can hear 2 of them. You can't see it, but I'm putting up 2 fingers.
Oh, yeah.
I can't bend my mitts.
Ah! Ah!
It's coming closer. Next time you need to come with us armored.
Yeah. Because this army is
Nice forearm workout. Here, take your gun back. That gun's useless. It doesn't have any ammo. Take yours back. It has plenty of ammo
Alright.
still. We don't need this thing. You can just jump in the lake. You see it. Aim. Is it attracted to light? You think?
Maybe. No, probably not. It says here skinwalkers don't like light much. They're in it a lot, but still, they don't like it.
Maybe
They tend to go in dark
attracted
places
to us.
like this.
Because I am not going in there. I don't know about you, but I'm not going in there.
That,
We're keeping it away from us. Get out.
Alright. You tell me when it's
We might need to
I'll
go
shoot
in
it.
just a little bit more. Like we might need to walk in to get it to activate. When I say activate, I mean like smell us.
You go in first.
You go in first, man. I have the light. Because right now I'm rendered useless. So if it attacks me. It gets to us. Go out! Get it! It's here! We killed it!
We killed it! What's that?
Well, is it just me or do you still hear? Is it just me or do you still hear footsteps in there?
We already
We gotta
killed
find a way to get out of here. Wait, first, should we take this up with us or should we open it now?
Open it now.
Okay, come on,
Open it right
let's
here,
get to a safe
though.
place. Okay, it'll take me a couple of minutes. So, in the meantime, try and see if you can find it. I'll shine my light through. That way you can see. What's cool about this light is it can shine through anything.
I only have one bullet. I don't think that's enough.
Just try and damage it at least. Just gotta find out where the lock is on this thing. Is there?
I feel like I'm in FNAF, for real. Out of my character, I feel like
There is no lock. I gotta just smash it.
I see it.
Ugh.
I see it. Well then.
Next time it comes, it's dead.
What'd you get? What did you get? Oh, hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, first we gotta activate it. You walk in front. Again. We're just gonna attract it out here to this grassy area and then blow it up. Skinwalker sounds like it's gonna
Right there! Hey there, friend. Come here, friend! Hello!
Wait a minute, are we doing this
It's
with Skinwalker?
me!
Because every time we look at it, it gets mad.
That is a skinwalker. I told you, he does not like the light. Oh, he only came to me because I shot him. And he knew he was in danger.
Okay, we walk forward. Come on. There's 2 footsteps now. Do we have to go in there and get him?
Wait, remember, he does not like the light, so if you shine a light at him, he'll stay away.
True.
So we
Sounds like
can
he's
get
getting
past
closer. Sounds like he's getting closer.
Should we
Oh,
change
he's right there. He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Hey there, friend!
Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him to attract him.
Hi. have no ammo, but all I see is his booty. And no gun, yeah. Well, this is now worthless because it has no ammo.
Throw it in. Okay, let's try attacking them.
Echoing.
Let's try tracking them.
Echo!
I think it's over there. Let's take that. It's good loot. Oh gosh, what just happened? I bugged out. Okay, we killed one. I think that's more than enough. Let's get out of here. We just gotta find a way out.
How do we get back?
There's this new teleportation method I found out. We have to set down a flashlight on the ground, hover over it for 3 seconds, and we should just go back to spawn.
Okay.
Alright, setting it down. Okay, we gotta get on the flash circle, so. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Did it work?
Yep.
I think it worked.
You know, I didn't actually, out of my character, I didn't actually think that would work, bro.
Alright, let me keep the chocolate.
What does it even do?
I don't know. It's cool though, and it's golden, and I like collecting golden stuff.
Alright,
Let's throw this in as well. Alright, do the honors. Look, this hand is perfect for pressing buttons.
Oh my god,
it's so fun.
That helped. That did not help at all.
We don't get paid enough for this job. Should we go on another job? I'm gonna do some new research. I think if I can find a way to...
These are all the hunters. All the top hunters.
Yeah, these are the hunters. You can see this one right here. Sadly, Jim Bob right here passed away because he didn't realize the guy sitting next to him was a mimic. So sadly, we lost one. Yeah. Oh yeah, let's go to the let's go to the chill computer place. We can do research up there. Come on, follow me.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do a little bit of climbing. Here, let's do some research.
Yay.
Alright.
My home.
So I think I just plug it in there. Aha, there we go. Nice place for relaxing though after a nice day of hunting.
Okay.
So the last sighting was apparently in a couple towns over. It's about an hour drive from here. It's in this deep dark forest, and supposedly there are monsters lurking in there that will instantly kill you. So we gotta go in there. We gotta check it out and make sure that the people there
get
are
our
safe.
gadgets, get our guns.
Let's get ready.
And I
this
need
time
better armor. And also I need better armor. But hey, guess what? I made us an armory. This is where find the gold that you can find around your adventures. Pay and you'll get some armor, or just fashion.
Okay.
Of course you.
Oh, I think I found some armor that's really cool.
Yeah.
I think I found some armor.
It's not really good for fighting. Oh my god, I didn't actually think you would actually buy it.
Alright, man, look at this. Oh, I'm ready for ghost hunting. Okay, guys, so we got some new armor, and now it's time to drive to this town. Come on, we gotta get in our go-kart. We gotta get in our go-kart to drive.
Alright.
I call dibs on driving.
Alright.
We're here.
Oh, no.
Man, I'm
failed the
not
landing,
that
like,
bad at
jumped
driving,
out.
man. Okay, here it is. Here's the supposed haunted forest with monsters.
This is just rocks.
What monsters are we gonna see here? Like, this is literally just a cliff. All we have to do is climb a little bit.
Okay, one already found then. Okay, that's one found.
Right off the bat, according to my research here, it says that that is a...
Ogre, probably.
According to my research, that is what we call an ogre.
Okay.
We don't know how dangerous it is, so we don't attack. Oh, you're attacking it. Oh shoot, it can pick up rocks!
Is that a rock?
Ugh. Don't worry, I deflected it. Slash. Help! No. He's too strong! He's too strong! Come on, use my new reviver ray. Use my new reviver ray. That reviver ray that you got, use it.
Arise.
Alright, seems like you used your reviver ray.
It's saying, it looks like it's saying that this isn't even the real place.
That looks like the deep, dark, haunted forest. Wait, look, we can get some food here.
How hard did the chickens hit?
I was you hit me. Okay, I'm healing up. Oh, I don't feel so good!
Oh. Up.
You gotta wait for me to get some of the loot first. Jeez. Okay, so I heard rumors that isn't even that's not the only monster. So, that monster seemed to be attracted to the light, so let's go in without the light this time.
Only open the light when he's not around.
Yeah, and plus I think we killed him, so I think we should be good. Wait, there's a light. Look.
What's that?
Oh, I think I know what that is. Okay, that right there. That's what we call a red light, green light robot. Basically, what it does is when it's red, then if you move.
Oh, hey there! Didn't know you were still alive.
I thought we killed him.
So did I. Alright, let's see what we have.
Okay. Hey, at least I'm here this time to open it. Oh man. Ooh, gimme. Take it as loot. Take it as loot.
Alright, you ready? Let's go.
This time, get on top of this rock right here. Okay, yeah. See, that's the trick to getting past it. Just don't move on red. Okay, I think we gotta kill it. That's our first step. Just kill it.
Alright, you kill it.
Okay, come on, come help me. Oh yeah, when you hit him, apparently according to my research, when you hit him, it slows down his flash. Here you go. I gotta just break this one open. It should be weakened. Probably.
But what's this?
What the heck?
It's an old house. Now we're going back to the. Now we're going back
What's that
to
noise?
the past. Yeah, we're definitely going back to the past.
So there's rumors that there's a haunted ghost mansion, and I think this is it. I think he found
You
it.
hear that? You hear that? Yeah.
Okay, I think we need a key. Come on, let's go find it.
Yeah.
I've heard rumors
think?
of a ghost lady haunting this place, and if you hold out a light in front of her, she'll freak out and just kill you.
Oh. Well, okay.
What's that noise? Okay, I think we should save this job for another day because, you know, both of us are.
Also,
Okay, come on, let's head back.
let's go die. Hold on.
Let's head back to
At
our
my
base.
gator, let's just go die.
No, let's not die. Let's not die. Because remember, when we die, we lose all our stuff.
Oh! Wait a minute. Remember the flashlight thing? The flashlight thing?
Yeah?
Remember the flashlight thing? Let's do that.
Okay, get up here. Get up here.
Alright.
Okay. Ready? Wait, use your flashbang to stun him. Activate it and chuck it at him. I think you missed.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, I think with using these gadgets, we can just stay on the ceiling. We can.
Okay, seriously? Animal Killer, we need to get on your
Luckily, he can't damage us when we're in the sky. Come on, let's get out of here. This way.
It's so peaceful when we're not there.
Man, okay, now we just need to drive back. Actually, let's just walk this time. No, never mind, we still need to take the car. Okay, well, you're researching the next place that we gotta go. I'm gonna make some gear for us. Well, I'm gonna make some gear for us for next time we go hunting. So, I'm gonna get to work on that. Alright, guys. So, my hunting partner just went on a little trip to go see his family somewhere in, I think it's called Office? I don't know. It's a weird town name, but anyways, so I made a new invention for us to go hunting with. And here's the invention. So it took me a little bit of going mining to get gold to make this, but supposedly when you hit a monster with this, it's supposed to make them gold. So we'll try it out. If the invention doesn't work, it still will damage them. I tested that out, and yes, it hurt a lot. So I think we're gonna use this. I already made a golden gun, so I'm gonna put this in our storage. Yo guys, my hunting partner is calling me. Hello? You found the portal? Digi God. We'll have to head there next time. Alright, I will. Well, it was nice talking to you, hunting partner. I gotta go. See ya.